Hello, welcome back to BSLIVE. In this episode, I want to show you an add-on called FaceBuilder. It's an add-on from a company called KeenTools, and I'm using this build, which is like an open beta, and you can give this a try, and it's gonna expire real soon for me. But anyway, I'm using Blender 2.82 Alpha, so I'm running this beta FaceBuilder using Blender Alpha. So I prepare a reference. I want to make some kind of face build. Like in this case, I'm using Neo and Mr. Agent Smith reference because I could find this. Although the eye is kind of covered, but it you can try anyway with something like this to get the human head. So basically, okay, the add-on will help you to generate 3D head based on photo. I should have said that earlier. So earlier today, I used Photopea just to cut out and crop all this image reference to make Neo. So let's quickly get started. So the add-on itself is actually super simple to use. If you install it and run it, you will have a new panel in Blender. It's called FaceBuilder. Create a new head. You can also create add mesh FaceBuilder, but I'm gonna click on this button. So we're gonna be presented with this base head model, and we're gonna turn this into a Neo head. Hopefully it's working. I have not tested with such a image with such a low resolutions, but let's see. Okay, Neo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This image is only 440 by 440. It's very small. It doesn't have EXIF. If you take photo using your iPhone or any camera, you're gonna get a proper sensor focal length. But we're gonna try this anyway. Let's just get started. So basically, you're gonna need to match the head to the face feature of your image reference. I usually start with the nose because the nose is very easy. You just drag the nose into place, and you start to kind of giving a point of reference, kind of like a point click and drag. Really, it's really that simple. I shouldn't use that point, but it's okay. I'm just gonna continue. So I start with the nose and try to match the mouth. It seems to be tracking Neo face pretty good. So this part should be near the ear. So Keanu Reeves' head is something that I call, okay, it's kind of like one of a perfect head model. Well, if you also try maybe like Tom Cruise, it's also celebrity with a perfect head model. Okay, with this so far, I seem to be missing Neo's ears on that side. But let's continue. Let's try a different photo and try to match this. So we try the nose, and I always start with the nose and then try to match the lips part. Or actually, it's good to try doing this area first, the neck parts. I have a feeling that the setting of my lens is a bit wrong over here. But let's see what's the results that we're gonna get anyway. So the head seems to be okay here. Okay, this is slightly more tricky, but I start with the nose and maybe this ear area. So the add-on I think we'll try to match and project the 3D head. into the shapes that we want. And we also gonna have the texture, but in this case we don't have Neo's eyes. So it can be slightly tricky. So that's Neo's ear. Wonder if the result's gonna look like Neo's or Keanu Reeves, but we will see. So basically just making points and kind of matching it to the feature of your actor, A-list celebrities. Okay, this one is from the side view. This is actually a pretty good reference if it's working. So we need to match the profile of Keanu. So I didn't work on the eyeballs so much, the eye area, because I don't see the eye in this reference. Try to match this jaw area and the neck. Okay, that's like deforming it too much. The ears, probably the placement of the ears. I tried this add-on a couple of times. I think what's missing is probably the teeth, the tongue, and the blend shapes. But they might have it in the final products. So that's kind of okay, pretty close. Save. KeenTools Neo. Save. Okay, let's try this from another side. The eyes, I'll try to use the eyes. This is another 3/4 reference. It's actually very good. So all the photo reference that you use here will be combined together. I made the reference all in the same size so you can actually use the texture projection. I don't know if this is gonna work. And the ears tend to be really really thin. I have a feeling that I think the focal length is actually kind of wrong here. Should be higher because the neck, you can see hopefully I get the lips correct. So I have 1, 2, 3. Try to match this a little bit better. 4. We don't use this one. Wonder if I should. Maybe we just get rid of this. 6. So maybe we just use this. I'm kind of curious with the result. Maybe it's gonna look not exactly like Keanu. So once you've done with this, you can check the results so far, but you can also project the texture. So let's try create texture. So now actually get out of this pin mode, and there you go. We have kind of like Keanu Reeves 3D head model. I think it tries to project it from all the views. Oh, I'm missing this part. I should have used the one from the back. But let's look at it. Oh yeah. So that's what you're getting. It's not 100% like Keanu. You can actually still work on it, like kind of sculpt it at this point. I like a bit of imperfection there. If you actually want to continue working and sculpting, I think you can. And then while still having KeenTools handy. So let's do this. So I think my camera focal length is probably wrong. This should be higher, maybe 85, I don't know. And then at this point you save, go to sculpt mode, Blender sculpt, and then maybe enable, should I enable X and Y symmetry in X? Maybe it's already on by default. And then I'm just gonna move things around. Grab, radius. Okay, the nose seems wrong. Keanu's nose definitely have more definitions. But we are pretty okay with the lips. Lips tends to be pretty tricky. But at least we have like a good base mesh. And then see, the ears tend to be really thin. I don't like the ear so much. So inflate is good to add a bit of thickness to the ears. And ear shape is actually very important for your character. Yeah, this is very simple ears. Okay, move, grab and move. The nose definitely needs more sculpting. The eyes, kind of alright. Can't see Keanu's real eyes, but we need to model the eyes anyway. So it's okay. The brow area, well, you can add more definition there. I like the jaw. Seems pretty strong. The neck. This Keanu in this movie, Keanu is actually looking a bit like Agent Smith. From the side view, is that Keanu Reeves? Oh, look at this. There's something that's definitely not quite right here. And you can definitely fix this simply by dragging and reshaping it. It's not too bad for a quick head model. If you are like a 3D sculpture, you probably can see this. Okay, this is definitely what you need to do. The eyes, something. Sometimes you can't really see it if you're not like a professional 3D model. But if you can see, okay, that the nose definitely wrong, you need to push it this way, and maybe even reference this. Look at the lips parts wrong. Keanu is actually a bit of got a bit of mixed face, slightly Hawaiian. A little bit like Takeshi Kaneshiro, half Chinese, half Japanese. Keanu, maybe a little bit of Caucasians and Asian look. Yeah, the line, this profile line is not correct. So I have a feeling maybe we should adjust it further. Now it looks even wrong, but we can always go back and adjust it here maybe. So I don't know, does it pop back to the original? I wonder what happened just now. So we jump here, we are in the pin mode, and we can adjust it to match the reference, and when we exit it goes back. Save. But you can see the whole process, and then you can continue sculpting. This is the one with texture. Normally I'm quite happy with this, for example, and then being able to see it with a cavity, things like that. Matte cap, I have a weird one. So this is like, yeah, just a really basic look at how you are using KeenTools FaceBuilder. I don't know, the real add-on is probably gonna cost you around $300. Could be less, I don't know. It's a Blender add-on. It's also available on other package, the Ears to theme. But yeah, that's a quick look at this tool. Once again, hopefully this is useful. Give it a try, this add-on a try. Just download it from GitHub and then install it into Blender Preference. Just install and then install the zip. And you're gonna have this, and then try it with Keanu, like in my case. You can also try with Agent Smith. And try, you can actually blend shape between Keanu and Agent Smith. Yeah, probably gonna try that in a bit. So there you go. Hopefully you find this useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.